ma beke give me uncle Begwogi. Now me promise you. See, mgbe Israel was warning Iraq because kezinda ha wonuga. Kezinda na lo se hok. He boost of that bomb. When Israel warned them that na ha na woman ka choro emu ohuru, they didn't listen. Israel warned them, hey buzo, you are like all these weak people. Abba, that when we are coming, that we are going to crush both your offspring. I warned you that I want to be left alone. See, I am a lion. When I talk, you should know that a lion is talking. I cannot just bark like chihuahua. Please call me Aharurumni. I am a lion. I devour. That's what I do. I devour. I don't spare. So me say she backing like it. No, I will here. She. I warned you. See, I want to be left alone. I took me no women. Let me block this idiot. Oh yeah, fuck off. I don't start it with nigga again. Oh yeah, Otila. I don't know why I'm not blocking these niggas, man. I need to block you bitches. Because as mean, block these idiots. Please. I don't want to see them here. Why are you warning him? I'm where I can. You see why I don't use this Samsung to run pro. Block them. Odugu, you get a lecture or granya de kam. Bibili tomo shemuna muna nkankagi na log mbe wage odugo agama shimgaga ma crush ge odugo eme agame make him meriki from the beginning ejiga cook everybody. I am a devourer. I will devour you. Olumna swallow nga tagi ka kilishi. Ibe mabak ihu wa be your grandfathers. Ihu wa be ndeg ige emecha shine na he chichorobin no wuzidi beke ga back full time. Guys, kaina pogodi ya before na ga TikTok. Kam ga kwa kama just mrichari. Make we dey listen to ewu. Every year prince na buru kaka lo si one cow. Ina no kwa. Even I just want the petition. I just got the petition today. Oh, trauma going on with the petition. Oh, now they butcher and I must well a butcher won't do none of that petition. On the book one. Oh, can put that the case from zone 9 so that in the village I don't know get big show be thunder babu kwano ota unu shina ga ajuju ota ga mo Nkechi Benco ge shikwe ajuju o ko onye ga call na alusi. Oh, the Google, listen. Now you are telling the world that in days they are against these people. They are against them. And they are getting justice. Can't you see that you are messed up? Each or every now that in days they are against them. Because against these people. Now ya wuru ge one word wanine. Get one word wanine. Everybody they nyash, they enter, they come out. Now you. We don't even know that Oga Zoo have plot of land they roll. Get more on America. Idiot, one molest, and what the better where justice of Oya. Chere, make with the play, they come and go start from the beginning because we are going to narrate the matter na TikTok.
This each other going and daisy. She these people ikpe mara ha. Ụmụnna shi ụmam ikpe mara unu ya wuruzo okpugugu. Okpugugu choka ha like ebu prince. Guys, are you not delusional? Are you not sick in the brain? What concern you concern property in the matter? What concern you concern it? Now you just confirmed it. That you guys are the most useless people I've ever seen in my life. See how you guys are perching around. Can't you see that you guys are delusional? I want to even find out what you guys are. Make we listen to your stupidity. Shitake. Any man he gonna free auto. But goes here with the present one now. But she goes here with the present one on she goes here and another person will come. Oh, one. Oh, go so like Gadi Bielu, Gadi Biala, a fela garoshi, fela gabogu, fela genama, fela gehogugu. No shekam go Mario. He will ought to only caborena. Any man that is drunk, because someone actually did I hear that he threatened me to come to Taizan? I know Dr. Fortunate to come in TikTok. Oh, your book room ticket. Let me schedule. By next week or 2 weeks to come, I'll be in Texas. Okay, you are fortunate in Amaga. You can't tell me. I'll be in Texas and video wanted to watch challenge. You will not still do a goddamn thing. Man may hate you. Get you come to Texas. I get you come to California. I get you come to Mexico. And I will still prove you guys. I will still do it. Excuse. Are you still talking? Wait a minute, contact. Say what? Did I hear? Okay, let's go to TikTok. Cherema kwa kam kunu na no go there na mabia. Give feeling na the person again many them back. Oh, those days are gone. I don't want to be a nice girl anymore. Fuck all of you. Doesn't mean we're nice girl anymore. Oh no, gonna walk so that people on social media. Tomorrow, me no that person will betray me. On a babuku on. I don't the only way babuku on. When I never see anything. Deep also war. Deep na war. Deep also war area. Oh, we hide on email. Don't have babuku on. Oh, na get more. Now you know me put him. Now you know me put him. Kono garaga gora mo. Now you know me put him. So that people on social media will not believe me. People on social media will think that I've been lying all these years. Even asking the idiot dokoma where go okay. You are a backing dog and you will remain a backing dog.
Shut up.
You are a backing dog.
I'm a
backing dog. Our princess say, well, that is what you are.
Shut up, Meshano.
You are a backing dog.
Backing dog.
That way we want to dig the background. Let me shut up. Let me shut up. Compare this voice note. Now the background, you people got no one, you know, like the background on our offer. So, that was last week. This voice note to press until I confirmed everything yesterday. Yeah, true. Listen. me shut up. Kuno no the person on at the background. Kuno ni honeku.
Fucking backing down. Then I get my no way. What's his nothing. You won't get that. I can't do anything. What can you do? Hey, man. What does it on Facebook? What else? Fuck out here, man.
Oh no, that lady on a background. I want to know that voice. Oh no, so yes, no. Every woman is a man when you can email me your job or saw something. Man when you can email your job. Oh, the one in our fan on us there. Listen to the voice note again. Even with I believed him. And I would have wanted I've never asked question, but please say Buche. Now I'm gonna tell you, Gina Iperima. And I'm warned that Nasu Diba Watcha, Dibio so Guaria. Get ready to spend more money. But I want that no one. And I'm mad that you people wouldn't share. They will know. I want to let them out this time. I'm a memorial, but this time, I got man on Charlie Boom. Man, or for that, I'm Nanya. No, I see. The battle is on. Dibia past Dibia. The battle is on. Dibia Guaria, Dibia so Guashia.
Oh, Subrilo! Oh, Subrilo! Oh, Subrilo!
You're just a backing dog. You want to. That's all you do is back. You can't do shit. Now, bleacher. Ubana manga, isn't it Abisu on you? Come on, get the fuck out of yours. Isn't Abisu on you? Come on, then your petition is sent to tell me your sister. In Abisu on you. I want to Abisu. In Abisu, Naji, who want to talk about never see anything. Let me hurry up and go to work because I don't over time. I never see anything.
You can never have peace. Okay,
come on, I know that nobody let me no, with your name, may I see? You don't know what I'm saying. So that nobody will believe me. Honorable Amina friend, they will betray me. Don't have a book on. I never see anything. I want to sound my voice. The only reason, even,
where's my charger?
Even, oh no, check, but I'm not so mad, don't matter, penny shim. I'm not so mad, don't penny sim. You are fortunate.
Hey!
Na
le kwe gom pachashi Nigeria. Egom pachashi Nigeria, your bondo. I'm not even offering him up. Where's my phone? Where's my data? Okay. Come with no charger, beacon or become. Ah, the good gas to breathe.
Okay, they are hearing you. I'm fortunate as I had the quality because give your zog warrior. A real man of God or woman of God will know that I am not lying. You people did it.
I don't go give you the yourself because of your waywardness. Nobody shared your nude. You gave different men up again. You distributed up yourself because of your promiscuous lifestyle. Any man gaja hey. She camera down, camera up, camera down. That is why no evidence to prove anybody guilty. Can't you see? Ijiri aka ge gwakwe so ogike ya to every man who lekwaya ayake oh TikTok, here we go. Oh, you shared, you naked, you Charan at the come. No man, no woman, no being. You are the one who opened your Igbo with your co-partners. All these women are not supporting you. All the one in the child side. They are your fellow prostitutes. They are your fellow ashawo. Then ajahe esere, iwa apuna. Apuna bere obodo oyibo ji onu na cover up ashawo ke na agba. Obu go le no outside. And when a new one now that's coming out. Ogechi Okeke. But up the Google. It do like I cannot be Lord to mepe a very dark man website. Or him wish I won't get mepe like this one. Up the Google. It shall make you to get the glance of it. Onya again. Who brought it out again? You. Wait, make a show now. I will show you guys. Came out the Google wapuna. From year to year. No uplook half. I want to show you your face. And you tell us when you can that picture. Because tomorrow na no, I'm not showing up there, but I'm showing you here. Yeah, man, that man Jia. I can never change my stand. I am not a stupid person. I see Apuna. When I see Apuna, I know Apuna. It was shower. A pure shh. Jerry, I will show you. Don't worry. Nchichanya here. Oga mother te enwe na nde ya nwokuru me camera down again. Igeti kwa 2026 I to God okay. I wish I want a new one. Now you go. See, I'm anybody that is fighting for your Igbo. That person is just wasting your personality, disgracing yourself, messing their lives up, messing their livelihood up, disgracing their father, their mother. See, no matter how you clean a pig, no matter how you paint a pig, no matter how you say a pig look like a beautiful pen, a pig will still be a pig. In a get shit one way because you cannot change. Your noodles, your noodle. This one. Can you matter what the shame and the eyes that we used to come and fight? That is what you are. Akuna mepe ma banye akuna mepe ma banye akuna jala mi ke poko mepe ma banye Let's go to TikTok. Chai, chema ba TikTok. Ado gugu, kami jeji gi pare ko na abale a. Ina enye ego. You dey give me money. Ipu ahi ji ha ko ina enye ego. Ado gugu, you dey give money. Nenye go. Good idea, me come. Or no, me come. It will get a yama go. It will go go and go. Nigga, we go no. Get you up, go no. We're going $1. Ọ bụ eji ikpu ya kpata $1 aga m eji ya akpa ego ibegide eje Ken Kadashi jiri ikpu ya baa Ken Kadashi jiri ikpu ya debe ya ọ bụ aga m eji ikpu ga ere ya aga m eji ikpu ga enwe ego na TikTok ikpu na-enye m ego ikpu story all to go na-enye m ego. Nobody can stop it. many molly in Rolumu, your pocket dog. Yes, yes. We bark, we eat, we raw. Before you don't know who put one okay, but oh, put one did it to her. And I do, and it's Janio, my patch will be able. Janio may I look. That I get a woogie. You met your match. You met your match. Hey, no, don't call Jalumag. No, don't call Jalumag. Before Uncle. And when you other saga material, you make you up there. Otogi is a saga material. Every day, no, Otogi. Otogi is our saga property. Ngamu, all saga property. Why am I gonna complain that it's part of saga property? Use it, saga voice note to saga property. So why is the Otogi among our saga property gonna be? That is the property. Because they get no saga material. What is saga material? Obi bukuku, akwamberebe, ngangara, ko FM jiri banga, mwanyenga. They are all saga property. Now this blew up. They are all saga property. So why is it that she now hot dog? Come on, shut up. Come on, show us. Come on, Bono. Property up one edge. Jadanago. Anana tanka jab. Ogechi unegi. Unegi putanya joy. Yeah, was saga property. Oh, man, saga. Hey. And when any other thing is going to come out there, repair Purgina, Michigan, who saga property. Oh, she's Zulu. I gave Muzoganga in America. Thank God that you confirmed that you went to Nga. I gave Musawuru Escon. And what the Escon? Okay. I convict you are an Escon, a piece of Goshen and Walmart. Everything is saga property. Oh, Gugu. I need your pride as a woman. I need Jibuki as a woman. I need Jibuki la rumaki. I show you maybe on way. Oh, Pagashi. Onye maybe on way on Zolazoko. Oh, the cookie la no wiki. Ela no wiki. And I get chicken. You are our property of food. Oh, yeah. That is our game. Let me block you. And I shall get you. Don't start again. Block man these people. I don't know why. Only I shall get you. Don't start again. Block wire. Which I know wouldn't team and get na kushie mono. No machine team and you guys have fortified me. How about the Google Yam Chamu? Oh, yeah. I say, Atam Kiji. Oh, the Google made Jimmy. I get past I not look shiggy. IG about my war. Let's go, my dear. Let me go. Hey, Jemma, be a bad TikTok, a by job. Can I be wasting my life here? Chat back on Facebook. Facebook and Napomo. I don't make shit. Let me go where I make good money with people one in there. It was the way it looked not a book on wiki. It looked what I got a man with Kegama. I have German saga no boogie. Without it, boogie saga again wishy. Saga again wishy. Saga no get tired. A shop. And I come, guys. Look at the love it. Wait. One question boy, she was saga material. Hey, are you going to make it? She like a whopper on. A hopper around. A hopper around. Ogena ku anya balaga. Ogena ku agisha geji ikpu nwa Sharon ji ya na agba ya wo. Is it not a saga material for you? Are you not the one that came and say I get ikpu saga material? I get ikpu one fortunate. You was using it to war. So what is your own urere for public? Your own urere made for public. Kebere bene timbu one chana ni chani bugi ona saga material. Let's go to TikTok. Shit. Are you guys there? I'm going there now. JJ, my money, Japarego. Bangana, she a back and down. Shut up, that back and away, keep Poogie BP. That back and I go feel the saga. The backing with a touch of saga. Everything anaga. The backing with a touch of saga. Without the backing, you're not gonna feel the saga. What the backing? We had the fucking saga. Don't want to give me. What would you do? You can only back. You can't do nothing. What would you do? All of us, we are backers. So when you're backer, I want my back. I'm taking a ring. We are all backers. Are you not the backing chihuahua? Get more with the dog yourself. We are all backers. And the TikTok because what didn't the sort of gift a boom latest Google apia share with this video, tag those people she unfortunate or Ogechi or Prince. Tag young she join up Google she yake for recently no we put ya Prince obiaro you also be some Prince obia ijira tom no oto wopota odugu gangaba. They will come and they will bring it up. Hage kwa nyanya asaga material. Ani jikwa ya saga. Gia rampium. Gia nana gift. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the gift. Give it up to Nelove. Give it up the most beautiful in the house. Give it up to Norma, the most beautiful. One gift on Google big boy, we are story, we are big bacon. All the Google set of new alarm in the market of Texas has released a new 2026 property saga. All the Google is now gonna wonder how manage because she forget that all Akuna call. Akuna one year banyango, ija here bagi. Chineke walk bagokon. Ashawo be etilani. Ashawo ja chojo sisamu. Ashawo ja chojo sisi rape. Hubelanga ashawo jere court to shatu justice. Odo gugu ere pure. O shere pure. Odo gugu ga na manu dia. Apona yon puamu. Jiele ya pamu. Odo gugu amu. Odo gugu mu. Prum pamu. Oja afu. Odo gugu wo fun. Gugu ta fun. Odo gugu je yam anga pire yiriam. Odo gugu you must return to TikTok oh. Wo year palm. Don't make it nice. This your recently muna. Ebi in a bathroom. Where ucheli elu. Where anyantoma. Tattoo gafu. I me chakwa get cover tattoo. Cause without that tattoo na I no go believe say na your boogie. Look at that. I make say I'm mad with petere. Abarangishi. Bamji dona sageti ya. This prince, unfortunate and me, will be exonerated. And it's beginning to happen 2026. Because follow on criminal justice na Facebook. Criminal justice. that page, follow me. Oh, for Woto 2026. Onye tigi shataya. Nna duola menga nwere house of running. Nna duola menga enwere house of running nu ga-eme ya. Enwere house. I bring your joy can never come. When I went to Nga, your joy is coming. Your joy has come. You have received justice. Till today, can I be? Two black and away when you check it. Abrange, the more you smell me, the more you notice me, the more you see me, the more you hear me, you become getting so crazy. Thank you for the gift of blessing. See you blessing. Nyanum gift Shiminga plus or Igugum do Yanga Jakafun. This mood us I'm why these people what I book a block. Thank God I want to catch me and I hear. Okay. Otilo. Boy, yeah. Look, Anna Barasha walk. Abraham UD. Yeah. She see why I said I will never fight anybody on this TikTok. I'm not there then. Abraham, it's only time to justify. I don't know when page in your profile. The quick Google upload everywhere. New version is out. I was telling you guys, stop camera down. Camera down. Shem give you a shower. A shower care. But no, shower give bare kwani hapuka kageshe no. Gesha give bare identi ahanye. Abigogo. You see Abraham people. Nagi aka gi wero dogi ko sara wane ne. I told people, but you keep screaming. Shia ine the Ogechi is here to tell the world that you are a nude sharer. You shared yourself. You cannot label anybody allegation. I won't come on to. I will scatter everything because I know you're lying. Ana ko because nyano him ja zuru mmiri amiri akola nyano him ja zuru mmiri gbanu coins why bere baby me I jeep what the Google beat bego okay, how are you doing? Biano, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Blue app, I'm on oh yeah, TikTok. My TikTok this thing. Oh, the Google is a nudu shara. Oh, the Google is in Ojashi uya. Apuna kona ba one is a chonko ya share. Now let me show. Share number every 300. That's all my people be having ham mate. No version of people you got. I no tell you na. Actually, that's your website. We want to tattoo ya. Mama no nya tattoo ya makoro. O kam man when he have palm and he jamata. Kauba it's na website. You got put the website the can put that today. I not tell you. A shower must do why she's a shower. Now she and I do 300 in a TikTok. My boy room here like this movie. Go copy this video so you can take it to your lawyer too. I'm gonna get oh look I get ya. Whatever you brought on social media has become a social media property. You can. Where did that thing come out from? I'm going to go take a walk. As far as Ogechi leave it, I got my dog again. Nothing. Even the student Jack cannot give you the justice. Nothing can stop me. And I guess yes, when a lion speak a word, lion roar. So you know that the lion is in the house. So you jam now, but I mean, yeah, like intimidate. You like it too much. You got kegi. Everybody with a voice. You can bowl your own. Your own, or you too loud? Is your own not too loud? Oh, my own, you carry too loud. Okay, I'm Bobu. I'm not where I know who can be. Look at the ship. Because all the motive who jam woogie. Get that woogie. Get that vibration now vibrating now. That is the motive. Yes. Anybody bet again? I want him stroke. I want you. No. I just show Shigi. Yes, she got. Yes, she got 4. Yes, she give me. Yes, she got banana. The problem like this, a man make a red light. Also, that is the motive. When I got Berero to let me. When I got Berero to let me. No, Yama be Bahobero. That vibrating is for you. That's why is for your head. Oh, you are away. You are not away. Bien, Francisco or whatever. He comment here that thing again. Maru, machine got got compuramoge. Machine like this, or Rogaba, Pejagitos, your 2 useless program. Don't you ever comment rubbish again on TikTok. Like this, man, Pijaya. He can no me about fogo to the pium. Take that nonsense out of here now. Chilekabo Goku, I'm not here to play that rubbish comment. Or they watch you Neki. Try again. Idiot. You're vibrating, you're screaming. Is it meant for where? Oh, many fishy. So get Papa Hisha woman get who began to make it. That is the motive. Eminem get illegal. No, Eminem get illegal. Boom. And I call you TikTok. Or the unnatural shame program and Abalia. I know you guys gotta share. You guys gotta give gifts. Upon new generation or walk or Google. Upon new 2020. Now you come, Mokarema. Because my vibration is Shiba. Blindside or Google. What you share like this? Yeah, my old will sharing go. Yeah, me am I green? Me you should go. Ya don't my Ghana. And I call you. I got you. Yeah, that's a button dog. Don't you know that is the engine? I want you to come again now. Walk here with a speed up. Come on, so buddy get. I'm granting. Walk it for you. I will persist a footwork, Anton. I brabin again, and I got brabin. Now, I got you. And it's not like, yes, it's the bargaining. That is the main purpose of the saga. Rebo Makano, you know me, man, mini nine block. I'm with the fridge, man, here. I hope we may freeze. Up just ordinary fridge. share no program o. Hen no gelera wa ne pick. An epic. An epic. Abramun no sheji la share lo ashawa share. Ashawo ego le ko do ge wanye ge ga po bo. How can you say Ashawo is taking you to court to share my order? Where keeping that old man? When you catch a okay, okay, because someone I'm saying, Okorobia to we maybe Ashawo. Emana no bidobe mama. Manam she Okorobia ni no ga. Majority of you guys are just chana Ashawo. Biko one more Ashawo opera check court. I don't check it one. Game me she na ma shower owu ha shower je gide go po mu gbo ke ma gi mere me. Have you seen a shower say I am taking you to court because of what? Because you raped me. Because I want to see that young man. And that's what my judge ibere di be. Ma juo ya ma dia owu yo nwoke yo ba shower mbo. No, tell me. Peter Okoyo Peter na blue up. Ibola shawo ebo ba shawo mbo. Obinna on TikTok. Ibola shawo ebo ba shawo mbo. One experience in the shawo no. What a shawo is after wo. Nyeme eko ke na. Prince ndubo ko whatever. Biki wa welegi. Ebola shawo mbo ena ba shawo. Are you experiencing neighbor show one book or we jana chapo show what like mpo or we no bella a friend a sister uncle auntie. She a shower took me to court because I don't know me happen. Nike. Let me block you for telling me you never want rest. Hold on. Baby's arrest so okay. Oh yeah, bye bye. Get the fuck out of this TikTok. Oh yeah, Otila. Jerest there somewhere else. This place is not for you. Chinga for me. Money for hand, the backyard for thank you. I shall just sue court. Why do I love to drink water? Nini mremana ngo shisha ibem. Why do I like to drink water? Nini mana ngo shisha ka gugu. Why I know they smoke weed like gugu? Nini mana ngo like gugu. Nini mereji tattoo sekashi chomwe ma ho like gugu. Why? Nini ma bofu mi rem like gugu. Nini mereji ma jahelo to la me wure he see me like gugu. Can somebody tell me the reason? Can someone tell me the reason? Why is it that okay, you cannot see no tattoo on my body? Why? Even now, why is it that there is no tattoo? Ajuka. He hope no able gets a flower. Does it mean I can't afford tattoo? Or does it mean that I don't see it as a beautiful thing? Nini me abofu mi rem na kusho heja mi am. Tell me him not the Google Jiri responsible and you believe that such a person somebody get what be okay? I just want you to give me this salary. Ndey bo baye lushi anya jeri before obierima. What makes up the Google a responsible woman? Now let's present her character and her outlook. Because that is how it works in human's life. You have to, first of all, when you see someone, you judge that person by that person's personality. Isn't it? Now, when I was doing my nursing program, assessment class, for those of you that went to nursing school, can you hear your first assessment in patients? What is your first assessment? Let me see some nursing students. Hello? 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 Magagino the one. Huh? Bushedo weekend I got a book on your one no. Why you just oh what damage? Nga mabu mamu onu imam je kuga who can get onye kpo onu let me check you your shirt ngalam. Hey,
I've got too many reasons to give you praise, oh God. You are good.
Jesus.
Too many reasons to give you praise.
Oh my God, it's a lie. Oh,
I've got too many reasons.
Jesus. Hold on. I don't want to know more. Bia. It's just Ramona. Jesus, Olekimunu. You know? Jesus Christ. Send the account again. Send the account again. I wanna see you make a Google like this. I'm gonna get surgery. Hey, send the account again. Send the account. Jesus. This guy just removed 3 plates. Ooh. Jesus. God. Guess who she is? Onye match it up. Chinekele. Who want to partake triplets? Lekpe. Chinekele kodo. No wonder. Oh no, into anesthesia. I'm Roger. Okay, I should just rotate now. Jesus.
I've got too many reasons to give you praise, oh God. You are good.
Oh my goodness.
Too many reasons to give
Chineke name.
you are good. Oh, I've got too many reasons to give you praise.
2 boys and a girl. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. La. Because I'm a poster account younger because if you have anything, partake in this miracle. Oh, they will send the message the other day. I'm actually me up, right? Always single mother. I match her up. Yashim ati ogemba unkam money me ma protection na di me. She on even na channel menga. Hey, I don't born no. It's 3 plates this time. Partake yo, nakwa who the bless. I am telling you the truth. Oh, I don't know where you're looking for the fruit of the womb. I am partaking because I am 3 at the same time. Partake yo. Hey, oh me pozo. Chineke God of Nazareth. Hey, oh biko Chineke achọrọ m triplet o. Una dey kulu okwu because of okay, Oshina. Okay, I have kwa faith. What are these? Samuel Zene. Chineke na me. God lenu matron triplet. Oh, God please. Oh, I need you. Ana manyagi kemo. Biko. Would he give that? I'm a model of Ogechi Okeke. If you come and close me, anything attached to me is blessing, blessed. I don't know the kind of life I get. Eh? I wish you can. When you let Ruma Kukuja de bless. Nanchu town they were blessing. Eh? I'm a woman when I do again. How big it close? You have not blessing. Oh, only can get Ben up on here or Tanche men and them mother. Who go come close you? Hey. No, because I'm not account to this baby. Hey, kata. Mama. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Are you fucking kidding me? Hey. Jesus. Help Borogiri. Chinik. Nah, chame post your account.
Business money, honey.
Sis, when I say 20 minutes, 20 minutes. And that's how.
God of Onyedepo. God of Onyedepo. Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I get where post. I don't know.
Yeah, I get where. I have, because I live such a fast-paced life.
Because post on our Facebook under this, please. Somebody else can. Biko. Chineko nye bere me. Haya kaka sandara baraba kuri madla kashala. No one kashi pariko. Because post on our Facebook post wala me oh. Can somebody copy it and post it on TikTok? Triplet, Chineke achọkwuru m triplet. Achọrọ m triplet. Who else want triplet? Who got here? Epin, can somebody copy it and post it on TikTok too? La shambara bra kurima. Fortunately, I'm not blessing go.
Making a sub.
Fortunately, when I came matching up with single mother Breman belly, but almost just more triplet.
Are you serious?
I swear, this girl ain't with great Josh. Somebody showed Dragame IVF. She not get that kind of money.
Wow.
Make I show you it. Ojo, Ima, Oboro Muneku, she no. Kenki ne puru nwa. What ya be send this here? She send the good dream me. The good him send the again na WhatsApp. Touch it. Hey. O she GC section mo nwa. O de ka de ana say she agbara ya the thing ka na eme ya na. O she just much. Jesus.
Blessing.
Biko, copy the account ahụ, you know, Alisa, copy the account to post here on TikTok, Biko. Fortunately, when you copy the account to post here under this TikTok, Biko.
Copy with accounts.
Account to the girl, I should want to bless here, Biko.
You like account here?
Oh, no, I'm not live on Facebook.
I know on Facebook.
Okay, Chairman send the like account to the girl. Okay, he help one person here, Biko. I can't paste it. Actually, me post you on TikTok.
Okesha can post on TikTok.
Yeah, come send that because. Hey! Now here, what blessing and manager receive, please God. As I'm going to send my own little token, please God. I tap from this young lady. Jehovah Jireh, you say. Fortunately, 2 boys and a gear. Send the alarm gear. Hey! Oh, Guinea. Oh, Guinea, the girl Epuliga de no wonder Ogechi Okeke mmadụ kpọgo.
Okay, cool. When it's on, check on my own. And I got what I see here. Enjoy seeing well. I like it when I cheer. This one for me. Just Sophia now. Is this one for me? At least I will now take. I like how to is make. Just enjoy seeing and just well. Like can I check it up now? But I'm just well 3. See and come maybe December. I will now wait for your row and the Oha and the water leaf. Come on, the copper tabe. I like how you shaped like that. So I'll be taking it small. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm the customer happy go because come go the happy. Fortunately, fuge. Hey. Na biko reach out to. Hey, na lekwa blessing. Lekwa blessing. Chai. Okotori boy. In the Facebook, come on happen because